Hi, this is Michael, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Sony Vlogger Kit. It looks like a selfie stick tripod thingy with buttons on it. So let's see what we get inside. Why is there another package? So I unboxed it, and there's another box inside with like a Russian nesting doll. That's weird. And there's a little memory card thing in here that is 64 gigs, so that's decent sized memory card. I'll open the smaller box, see what we get in there. Wow, they were really concerned about this product. So, open big box, smaller box, and then there's a bubble wrap inside for a tripod stick. I've never seen a product more packaged on this channel. And a bunch of instruction warranty stuff. And what is this? Sony really packages their stuff. So it comes with a carrying case as well. That comes with its own plastic and cover. And a small battery. It's one of those little round batteries. I do not know what this is off the top of my head, but I will have it up on screen somewhere, whatever type of battery this is. And then the device itself. So your camera would go here on the top. Looks like it will swivel as you move. It has some controls for your camera down here. And on the back it has flip out tripod things. So you can have this be a tripod as well, if you're working on a desk or a table like Chandra and I usually are. So that's everything in that. Price was $150. So like and subscribe. Hope this helps.